Hi everyone, this is Liz from Laptop Battery Express. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a Lenovo Thinkpad laptop. This laptop has an L14M4P72 battery. Stay tuned until the end of the video for a coupon code used only at laptopbatteryexpress.com. First, what you'll need is your battery, screwdrivers that come with your purchase, and a lid or container to put your laptop battery screws in. Second, you'll want to unscrew each screw and put them in your lid for safekeeping. This should take a couple of minutes. For the convenience of this video, I've already unscrewed the back screws. Once you're inside the laptop, you will see the battery. Unscrew the place-holding screws carefully. Your screwdriver should be magnetic. Once unscrewed, you'll want to remove the old battery, set it aside, place the new battery carefully in, and plug it in. Screw your battery in and replace the back of your computer. Once you've screwed your back on, you'll be all set to power on your computer. Thank you for tuning in, and you can find the products used in this video in the link in the description below.